All right, today we're going to be laying down approximately 300 square feet of these tiles. They came in today into our unfinished basement. We're going to be using the Home Sport and Play foam. They're each 2x2, 20 millimeters thick, and we're going to lay down here. We're going to use the gray side up. We're simply going to take off the edges here, as we are going to be connecting them on our easternmost wall. So basically, in order to connect the top one, we've got to take this piece off. We'll use it later on. We're gonna leave this on as this is gonna butt up against our wall over here. Ultimately, all of these pieces will connect like that, and we'll continue the process throughout. All right, after 15 minutes, we've done this much. We are nearly done with the project. Yeah, very, very quick, very easy to put together, as you can see. All right, we're laying in our final piece, at least for this section, so we're almost done. This officially wraps up this corner. And there's the completed project. Overall, we're very, very happy with this product. Our kids have been running around on it. And it definitely feels like a quality material. You can tell it's got some grip to it as well. This little beam that my daughter's on is definitely not sliding. Little pseudo gym right here, or a gymnastic area. We got a little beam, a little barrel thing. And here's one of my daughters here basically singing on this. These mats definitely give us some confidence that if they were to fall, it would definitely prevent any issues. And we've got extra protection as well. Good job, honey. Good job.